course, a bunch of you guys DM'd me this. Of course, I'm gonna try it. It's artsy, it's weird, I love it. This is your daily reminder to not cut your bangs. First, we're gonna prime. Very nice. I have this contour palette. I'm gonna start with the deepest shade. I think this is how it's supposed to be done. Ooh, this is actually fun. I feel very artsy. I don't know how this will look, but I have to admit it's very fun to do. Get the nose. I'm gonna mix in a lighter shade. This has no business looking this cool. Moving on with the lighter shades. Okay. If this doesn't look good in the end, it's gonna be a problem. Because I have no time to change my makeup. Almost done. I did the brows too because, go big or go home. Even doing the eyeshadow, I'm thinking this is enough. If you want to see the finished look in the blend, go to part 2 because I'm out of time. Hello and welcome to me blending random stuff on my face. I look like a painting. I feel like a painting. And let's start. That is so satisfying. Ooh, it's nice. I can't believe I forgot the blush. We are going to pretend that didn't happen. I have an exam in 30 minutes and this better start looking good. This part's actually looking decent. And I am not adding any product. Let's get the nose. Okay, but the brows are gonna have to be fixed. The eyeshadow. And this is how it looks. How does it look this good? It may just be the best technique I ever tried. Definitely doing this again. Now be honest, would you ever actually wear this outside? Because I would. And I will attempt to recreate it using Maven Beauty Liner. I'm gonna do my base real quick. A little bit of blush. I'm really liking creamy blush lately. And let's blend it. Unrelated question. I'm just minding my own business. And a random Disney song that I didn't hear in 10 years starts playing in my head. And I just don't know where it came from. Does that ever happen to anyone or am I just insane? Jill, and I'll take it slow. Then you rock out the show. Okay, let's get into the eyes. She has some kind of a shimmer on her eye. Then she's got really thin liner. Widow baby wing. The eyes gently smoked out. Okay, that's nice. Okay, now for the falling star. I'm gonna draw a couple of dots and then I'll connect them. Okay, I'm almost done. I need to add one thing. Being extra isn't easy. And this is the look. I high-key love it. You guys told me you wanted more contour stuff. So, here we are. I'll try anything. Let's get started. I'm gonna start with the lighter shades this time. By the way, I'm sorry if I sound a little bit sick. I got the good old Coraline. So I'm bored and I can't go anywhere. I don't know where I'm going with this yet, but I guess I don't know where I'm going in life either, so it's okay. I need some darker shades. This is too light even for my pale ass. Whoa, this is starting to look cool. Is this making any sense? I wanted to add some pink. Okay, I really wanted to do the eyeshadow as well. Okay, I'm gonna try to go for a blue look. Don't judge me, I'm gonna try. Whoa, this looks cool. The darker blue. Okay, but this looks so trippy. I am obsessed. Blending video in 15 minutes. Hello everyone, and welcome to me blending random stuff on my face. Let's blend it. That was so smooth. How does it blend so nicely? Like, look at this. I'm gonna do the eyeshadow last. Okay, now I'm gonna do the lighter part. Ooh, so creamy. Okay. It's not that bad for now. Okay, let's do this side. And the forehead. Lips, I'm just gonna blend in with the brush. Okay. I mean, it's honestly pretty decent right now. I'm telling you, it has potential. Time for the shadow. And the last part. Oh my god. It looks so good. I'm in love with this look. Would definitely do this again. Sis, I really don't look like her. But we could try to get her look. We obviously have a lot of work to do. And I even have a wig for this occasion. Starting off with the brows. Our girl is a ginger goddess, so we obviously need some ginger brows. First, I'm gonna lighten them a little, and I'm using eyeshadow to fill them in. Okay, that's the brows kind of done. Our good sis is a pale queen. She's never really contoured, so I'm gonna be really minimalistic. As you blend a light layer of foundation, some nose reconstruction. She doesn't really wear eye makeup. I mean, go off queen, I guess. She does always wear white liner. She usually only wears mascara, which is a problem for me because I'm lashless. Now, this is why I don't wear mascara. It always finds a way to ruin my life. And here's the finished look. What do you think? Do I look like her? Who should I try next? Okay, can someone explain to me what did she think she did here? Because I think she snapped. You guys wanted me to recreate this. I'm honestly a little nervous because Abby followed me last week, and now if I do a bad job, she's gonna think I'm a loser. I have 30 minutes to do this. First, we're gonna cover the under eye because I low-key don't sleep. Wow, I'm so quirky, I don't sleep. I made the executive decision to do a brow slit. Brows done. Now the base makeup. And for everyone telling me I wear too much foundation, am I making you wear it, Susan? Mind your own beeswax, okay? Blending time! I never bake, I just use setting spray. Now the eyes. First the grün, using some neon pigment. Now using the hype. The liner. Had to do it off camera because I'm super late. I'm done. I'm obsessed, yeah. How does that look good? We need to try that. First, I'm gonna draw those little squares on my face. Where do you even start with this? I marked everything. We are moving along nicely. They're not really even, are they? And we have a couple of little mistakes here. Finally done. Don't be a square. I had to say it. Okay, now I'm gonna fill it out. I'm not really gonna do it how she did it. Going with the deepest shade first. I don't know why, it just made sense to me. Should I really put it on my brows? I mean, she does put it on her brows. It's on my brows. It's still happening 2,000 years later. This is trippy to even look at. Blending it in the next video because I'm out of time. Hello everyone, and welcome to me blending random stuff on my face. Maybe I should start with a brush. It's blending nicely. 4 hours of me drawing this on just disappearing. You gotta love wasting your time. I do have to admit this is super satisfying. Whoa, that's dramatic. The last part, saying goodbye to 4 hours of my life that I will never get back. Please like this video. I'm starting to feel a little bit too sorry for myself. Thanks, bestie. I'm gonna go finish it with eyeshadow like she did. I'm back. All I can say is yas, but I will never be doing this again, ever.
You can pretend that you have no nostrils. Men will be bewitched and hand over their wallets.
I got tagged in this so much. You in, I'll do it. I have this contour palette. It's AliExpress, girl. We're on a budget and we don't have time for expensive contour palette. She starts off with the darkest, so that's what I'm gonna do, I guess. This feels random. Now I'm doing this shade. Damn, this is actually nice. This is getting pretty close to my shade, I guess. Imagine if you randomly decided you want to wake up and do this every day. Does this look good? I would say no. I look like a weird map. I got foundation all over my table. There's foundation in places foundation should never be. And my hands look like this. Oh god, I have to do the neck too. The neck is gonna be lazy because I have no more patience. I have a question. Do people like actually do this? Like no joke. I'm finally done. Blending video in 30 minutes. Hello everyone. We have gathered here to blend this stuff on my face. I feel kind of sad now I have to blend it, but I guess life is sad and depressing. Where do I even start? I'm gonna try going like this. ASMR. This is suspicious. Maybe I should do it with a brush. I'm starting to feel a little orange and British. No offense to my British queens. Why does this not even look that bad? Am I crazy? You don't have to answer that. Should I like finish this look? I think I just might. This actually looks nice. Time for the magnetic lashes. Okay, but low key, Damn. Am I crazy or is this amazing? It looks so good. Tag me in videos you want me to try.